Imagine that you wake up in 2030 and 8 out of 10 jobs disappear. The world you knew no longer exists. Trucks drive by themselves, accountants are being replaced by artificial intelligence algorithms, even your favorite doctor is now a machine. The economy is no longer designed for people. Every decision, from what you eat to how to run your city, is controlled by artificial intelligence. Are you ready for this, or is it too late? In this video, we will look at how artificial intelligence is changing our world faster than anyone expected and how it will affect your life.
Artificial intelligence is no longer a passive tool, it's an active decision maker. AI drives trucks, analyzes financial data, diagnoses diseases, and even writes code and creative content. In less than a decade, machines will outperform humans in almost every occupation. But what does this mean for the average person? Imagine your job, your career, your livelihood suddenly obsolete. The question is no longer if AI will replace humans, but when. And the answer is much sooner than you think. Today we simulate what the world could look like when 80% of jobs are gone and humans must adapt or perish.
The first jobs to disappear are those that follow predictable routines. Truck drivers, delivery workers, warehouse operators, all replaced by AI-driven logistics systems. But it doesn't stop there. Office jobs, customer service, accounting, legal assistants, even junior analysts will be automated. AI systems process data faster, make fewer errors, and never demand a raise. By 2030, most mid-level professions could vanish entirely. Imagine an office building with thousands of employees. Now imagine it empty, replaced by blinking servers and robotic arms. This is not science fiction. It is already happening, and the pace is accelerating every year. Even high-skill professions are not safe. AI can now interpret medical scans with higher accuracy than doctors, draft complex legal documents in seconds, and compose music or art indistinguishable from human work. Programmers and analysts may soon find themselves outperformed by AI that can code, test, and deploy software autonomously. Financial advisors? AI predicts markets with precision no human can match. The line between human capability and machine efficiency is vanishing. By 2030, you might not just lose your job, you might lose your identity as a professional. The question becomes, how will humans find purpose in a world dominated by machines? The social impact of mass automation will be staggering. Unemployment could reach billions worldwide. Entire communities, once dependent on stable jobs, may face poverty and unrest. Governments may struggle to provide social support, and inequality could skyrocket. Those who control AI technologies will dominate economies, while the average person may lose agency over their own life. Crime, migration, and social tension could rise as society adjusts. But the story isn't just about loss, it's about adaptation. The next decade will define who survives and who becomes irrelevant in this new AI-driven reality.
The economy itself will transform. Traditional businesses will shrink, while AI-managed enterprises thrive. Wealth will concentrate faster than ever before. Small businesses may vanish under competition from fully automated corporations. Global supply chains will be dominated by AI, and human labor will no longer drive GDP. Even highly skilled professionals may find their incomes falling as machines outperform them. Entire sectors could collapse: insurance, transportation, banking, leaving humans as passive observers of a system they no longer control. The pace of change will be relentless, and those unprepared will be left behind.
Education systems today are not prepared for this reality. Skills that are valuable now may be worthless in 2030. Humans will need to learn how to work alongside AI, not compete with it. Virtual classrooms, VR training, and AI mentorship programs will become essential. Adaptation will be a matter of survival, not choice. Those who fail to reskill will struggle to find purpose, while a minority of humans capable of innovation, creativity, and AI oversight will thrive. The future is not equal.
It favors those who can evolve with technology.
But what about ethics? Who programs AI? Who decides which jobs are automated first? Who benefits and who loses? The decisions today will shape the next decade. AI could perpetuate biases, favor corporations, and concentrate power in the hands of the few. Society must ask, are we ready to surrender control of our economy, our decisions, and even our freedoms to machines? Ignoring these questions won't stop AI. It will only leave us unprepared for the consequences.
Not all outcomes are bleak. AI could free humans from repetitive labor, allowing more time for creativity, science, and exploration. New industries will emerge: AI supervision, biotech, space exploration, creative AI content. But the transition will be brutal. The majority will struggle to adapt. Reskilling is no longer optional, it is survival. Those who embrace learning, innovation, and collaboration with AI will thrive. Those who resist will be left behind in a society they no longer understand.